Hi, this is Tom Curtis, and I'm going to be singing In a Spin for the Exploration in a Spin. This came to me as a banjo tune in modal tuning, sometimes known as Sawmill tuning, and I thought that was appropriate since Explora is in the Sawmill district. So here goes In a Spin. In a spin, everything's spinning around and round like Arachne spins her thread. The whole earth's spinning around. Things in nature spin. Hurricanes in the Gulf of Mexico, tornadoes and dust devils spin. Solar systems, galaxies, everything spins. In a spin, everything's spinning around and round like Arachne spins her thread. Whole earth's spinning around. Many things we make can spin. Helicopter rotors, wheels and motors, propellers in the water spin. Washers and dryers in a spin, in a spin, in a spin. Everything's spinning around and round like Arachne spins her thread. Whole earth spinning around. Tops go in a spin. Venoms and collusion, color confusion. The song is in a spin. The whole thing's spinning around and round in a spin, in a spin. Everything's spinning around and round.